Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Tessie app, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Tessie app, start by locating the app on your device. On an Android device, go to your home screen or app drawer. Find the Tessie app icon. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select the option labeled Uninstall. Confirm your choice when prompted. For iOS devices, locate the Tessie app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until it starts to jiggle. Tap the small X or remove icon that appears. Confirm the deletion when prompted. To uninstall the app from a Windows PC, open the Start menu. Click on Settings and choose Apps. In the Apps and Features section, scroll to find the Tessie app. Click on the app, then select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted. For Mac users, open the Finder and navigate to the Applications folder. Locate the Tessie app in the list. Drag the app icon to the trash bin. Empty the trash to complete the uninstallation. After following these steps, the Tessie app will no longer be on your device. Make sure to restart your device if needed. This ensures all components of the app are fully removed. Now you're ready to install a different app or free up some space. That's it. Uninstalling the Tessie app is a straightforward process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.